Hello guys, welcome back. Hey, my name is Mufuya Gaming and you're watching. Whoa, that's not it. Wait. No, that's not it. This is not the show. I'm not that kind of show. Oh, do you want one? This is the intro. Okay guys, today I love to announce to you guys that I got a good news. So the good news is, once in my lifetime, finally, I've got a sponsor! This video is brought to you by Plextone, everything for gamers. This is their online store. Okay, now we will open it. Right, this is the box, guys. I got. We need to open it. Unbox this. Let's uncover the truth. Open sesame. Wow. Okay. Packet seal. Wow. Right. We got one. What? We got two? You guys want one?
Yeah, boy.
Okay, we got two actually. Hammering in the base. More durable, more stable. Plextone Gaming Earphone G20. Gaming earphone noise cancelling. We got two! Thank you so much Plextone for sponsoring this video. Alright, it's time for our review. We got two of these, so I think I will keep one and another one I will give to you guys for my first giveaway to you guys. What do you think? So guys, let's open one. Alright, we have like some kind of rope attached on this box. You got 3.5mm L-shaped plug, microphone with HD voice, stable cable, anti-noise. Wow, it's looking very awesome guys. The cable length is 1.2 meter for mobile phone and cable length for PC is 2.2 meter. Is it? Let's find out. We got the red one. Oops. Okay, we got manual, we got product instruction, voucher warranty card, we got the earbud itself. Ooh. Guys, look at this. It's magnetic. Wow, it's very convenient. Okay, we got the bud here. Oh, what's this? It's kind of like a crab or scorpion. Is it a scorpion? It's like a scorpion symbol and at the back side of this earphone. Actually, this is gaming earphone. Plextone sent it to me. Okay, we got the earphone itself with this length of earpiece, and then the volume of the mic. Is it? No, it's the volume. It's the volume of your earphone. The sound. This is a button to answer the call, and a mic. There's a mic here. So this is the L shape. It's convenient for gamers like us. I guess it's suitable for gaming. And then there's another extra extended cord. Oops, what's this? 2? For what? How is this going to be two? Why they are split? Microphone, earphone. Oh, this is for the PC. Oh, we got free, two cable free. We got 3.5 audio extension and computer audio patch cord. This is for computer. If you want to use this mic, you can use this for your PC. It's separate from mic and sound. It's look like this. Wait, what happened? Ah, yes, it's look like this. So next, so this is the extended cord. If you want to make it longer, this extended cord is 900 millimeter, and the earphone itself, the length of the cable, it is 1200 millimeter. Wow, that's length. Wow, that's so long. You can put another extended cord. This is too long. You can use it for your computer if your desktop is far away from you, I guess. Alright guys, let's play some games. We will test it out on my PC. We got left and right. Whoa. Whoa. It's really deep. It's really noise cancellate in your ear. So let's test it out. Wow, the sound was pretty awesome compared to the other earphone that I had recently. I can say that this gaming earphone, you can use it anywhere. You can use to play mobile game like PUBG Mobile, or you can use to play PUBG on your PC, or you can use to watch your favorite movies, anime, or you just listen to music. Okay, now let us see the price of this gaming earphone. What? Only 35 ringgit? Wow, guys, this is cheap, high quality, premium like earphone. This cheap? This is less than 10 bucks. If this earphone is this pretty good and the price is that cheap, I don't know what to say anymore. Seriously guys, this is worth to try. You could try buy this and try it yourself with playing games. You can use it to try playing PUBG Mobile. If you play PUBG Mobile, you should try this gaming earphone. I will put the link down below. You can buy it from Shopee. Guys, the price is very good guys. It's cheap and it's good. Guys, it sounds great. And if you want to win a giveaway from me, on the next video I will make this a present for you guys as a giveaway from me and especially from Plextone. Now guys, buy this and try it for yourself. You're not going to regret this unless it's your own problem. You're not going to believe what I say if you don't buy it and try it yourself. The package includes one G20 gaming earbud, one set memory foam ear tips, 3 set of silicone ear tips, small, medium and large, 1 set inner earring, 1 PC adapter, 1 extension cord, and 1 shirt clip. The warranty is 6 months local supplier or 2 years international warranty, I could say. Well, it does say that it has 2 years warranty. So guys, that's it for me. Review of this awesome gaming earphone from Plextone, hammering in the bass. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I will see you next video. Bye bye.